Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. From today, the Ministry for Health Jamaicans 18 years and older who take the single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine can get one booster shot. Floyd Morris, who are one opposition senator, brings something to the Senate who say Bob Marley, Jimmy Cliff, Louis Bennett Coverley and Usain Bolt must turn national heroes in Jamaica. The police said them notice one trend where gunmen and thief people animals to buy gun and support them criminal lifestyle. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. From today, the Ministry for Health Jamaicans 18 years and older who take the single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine can get one booster shot. On top of that, the ministry said from today, people 60 years and older and the healthcare worker them are going to get one booster shot at the other COVID-19 vaccine them. The ministry said people can get the booster shot at the Johnson & Johnson vaccine 2 to 6 months after them take the same vaccine there, or wait 6 months if at the Pfizer vaccine them they take. Plus, the ministry said people are going to get one booster shot for the Pfizer vaccine after 6 months if them take the same Pfizer vaccine, AstraZeneca or the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Floyd Morris, who are an opposition senator, brings something to the Senate to say Bob Marley, Jimmy Cliff, Louis Bennett Coverley and Usain Bolt must turn national hero for Jamaica. Him said them 4 people do the most of Jamaica in a music, culture and sport, and this help make people know about the country all over the world. If this get passed, Jimmy Cliff and Usain Bolt are going to be the only 2 national heroes who are still alive. Mr. Morris want the government put in some things in place to make the people them turn hero next year to celebrate Jamaica Diamond Jubilee. Jamaica turned 60 on August 6, 2022. Police said them notice one trend where gunmen and thief people animals to buy gun and support them criminal lifestyle. According to Superintendent Oral Pasco, who the head for the Jamaica Constabulary Force Pradial Larcenary Unit, gunmen use the money with them thief people animals to buy gun and fight gang war. On top of that, him say one chang link there between thief people animal and the serious crime them we are going now. Plus, him say the police find out about the meat for gun trade between the gunman them out here and man from Haiti where them give the Asians them meat for get gun. Well, heap of people get rushed to the hospital last night after one accident going on the Mandela Highway in St. Andrew. Some report as one minibus crash in a one garbage truck. According to the police report, around 5:45 p.m., the minibus did drive to Kingston when it crashed in a one garbage truck, but did go in the same direction and turn over. News from the rest of the Caribbean. 32 police officers left the work at the St. Vincent and Grenadines police force and 13 other officers still not take the vaccine after the government said every frontline worker must get vaccinated against COVID-19. The government make it in a law say every teacher and frontline worker must take the vaccine by November 19, 2021. Them they get one 10-day grace period or past Friday gone. Dr. Ralph Gonzalez, or the Prime Minister, said 2 of the one-time police officer them now go get no police pension cause one of them did only serve for 1 year and the other one 8 years. St. Vincent and the Grenadines record 5,645 COVID-19 cases and 75 people dead from the virus since March last year. Now for sports. Enough time champions Kingston College and Excelsior High are the first 2 teams to qualify for the quarterfinals at the Issa Manning Cup. Excelsior beat Kingston Technical 3-1 and KC beat Charlie Smith 3-0. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.